Have you ever wondered where culture and breathtaking city views come together in Amsterdam? Allow us, from White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam, to guide you on a journey through the captivating OBA, the Amsterdam Public Library, poised to become a monumental cultural hub in 2024. Nestled at the Oosterdok, the 7-story marvel of the OBA houses over 1.5 million items, including an expansive range of digital materials and immersive exhibitions on Dutch literature. Here, the love for books meets cutting-edge technology. Imagine participating in author readings or gaining hands-on literary knowledge through interactive displays. There's always something to inspire. The heart of this cultural oasis beats with diverse events ranging from workshops and concerts to enlightening tours showcasing the library's sustainable architecture. Every corner of the OBA offers a chance to engage with the city's vibrant cultural scene. But the magic doesn't stop at books and events. Ascend to the deck terrace or rooftop terrace, where the panoramic view of Amsterdam awaits. Over a relaxed lunch or dinner at the cozy rooftop restaurant, take in the stunning sight of the city's skyline, a perfect blend of history and modernity. And if you're wondering about accessibility, the OBA's central location makes it incredibly easy to visit. From White Tulip Hostel, it's a pleasant 15-minute walk along Prince Hendrikade or a quick bus ride on Line 22 to Oosterdokzeeland. Open daily from 10 to 10 p.m, with free Wi-Fi and comfortable study spaces, it's also an ideal spot for students and freelancers searching for a peaceful work environment. So, whether you're a book lover, digital enthusiast, or simply in search of a serene spot with a view, the OBA in 2024 promises an experience that shouldn't be missed on your cultural exploration of Amsterdam.